American Hacker.
Spy TV remote control. For this project you will need keychain Spy DVR, digital video recorder. You can buy cheap at eBay or Amazon. This device can record up to 1 hour. Now we're gonna open the TV remote control and remove the electronic board, and inside we're gonna put our spy recorder and glue it with silicone gun. I have made 3 holes. One is for LED indicator and other 2 are for power button and record button. It's time to test this Spy TV remote control and find out who is touching my stuff. Thanks for watching and subscribe to American Hacker. You can watch my other videos, click below.